Hey everyone, this is Angie at Stampin' with Amore. Welcome to my channel. Today we have a quick and easy treat holder. I don't know, it's easy and it's quick, but it is a little bit more detailed because look at these little monkeys. I had to share this. It was so cute. I found these little Laffy Taffies at the Dollar Tree and they are banana. So I thought, oh my gosh, these would be so cute for a little treat holder. But this one's a pretty good size, but I think it would be really cute for just a little friend's gift for kids, or it is 5 inches by 6 inches, kind of 6 inches wide by 5 inches tall. But I wanted to make it taller so I could fit my little monkey on there. But isn't he so cute? I'm filming in a different mode, so I hope that it shows up really good because I'm filming in a higher definition, so hopefully this is going to work out. You can let me know in the comments if it looks good. Alright, so we are going to start with Azure Afternoon. That's what I'm using for this. So you're going to need a piece of Azure Afternoon that's 7 by 7.5. And then to mat it, I'm going to use one piece that is 5 3/4 by 4, and then one piece that is 1 7/8 by 5 7/8. If you are new, please subscribe, hit that bell for notifications each time I upload a new video. Give it a thumbs up if you like it, and share, because all those things really help my channel. And yes, it is routine that I say this because that's what YouTube likes. All right, so I already cut out with my stylish shapes this little banner, and that's for the front. And I pre-colored one of the little monkeys and the banana, and 2 of the bananas that we're using. But we're going to color the tree branch and the other little monkey, this little guy here. And I am going to, I cut these all out with my scan and cut, by the way. I just stamped them, cut them out with the scan and cut. Like, I've shown this in videos before, so I didn't show how to cut it out again. But I just did one like last week where I showed how to cut out stamped images. So I'll try to link that here in the description or in this video so that you can see that video if you haven't seen that yet. So the stamp set I'm using is called Little Monkey. Isn't it so stinking cute? Oh my gosh, I love these. And you know how I love to color, so I always look for the little critters that you can color. The stylish shapes, that's what I'm using that banner from. And basic borders is what I'm using for the top of it. And I am using this curved one right here. You can actually use any of these right here, this one or that one, for that. But you know how I love these and I use them a ton. All right, so I'm gonna since I already stamped all these and everything, I'm not gonna stamp them on camera, but I am gonna grab a sheet of graph paper because when I color, I think you can see it better on the graph paper. I'm not sure. You let me know in the description. I'm trying my best to give you the best quality here, so just leave the comments on what you like. So I'm going to use crumb cake here, light and dark, and then I'm going to use the lemon lime twist for the leaves. And I'm going to just use a little bit of the light bubble bath for his little cheeks. And then I am going to use the light pecan pie. All of these except for the crumb cake are new colors. So we're going to use the pecan pie, and that's going to be for the branch here. I guess I can zoom in for you. I don't know, maybe it's better on the dark background. It looks kind of light. Let me see what it looks like on the dark, what I can see. Well, maybe the dark is going to be better. Let me try that and we'll go from there. So it looked like before when I checked it, it looked like it was the graph paper that was going to look the best. But all right, so I'm just coloring that, and this is with the light. I thought I had the dark out here, but I'm going to grab it real quick and just do a little bit to make it look like a little branch. All right, and then we'll use the lemon lime twist. I'll use the light first. for the leaves. And when you cut out this branch on your Scan and Cut, be sure to fill in all the little areas, connect them like I did on this one. In fact, I haven't erased that yet, so I'm going to do that. You have to connect all your leaves to the branches or they'll cut out separately. So I'm just going to erase that because I hadn't done that. The rest of the monkeys and everything just cut out just fine. All right, then I'm going to use a little bit of dark. Maybe the higher definition is looking better on the dark matte. I absolutely love this matte, y'all. I hope that you are enjoying me using it on the videos. If not, let me know and I'll go back to the other way. I've only had like one person say that they like, well, maybe a couple, that they like the graph paper better. So I'm using the crumb cake for our little monkey body here. 99% of you said you like the black matte better. So that's why I've been trying to use it more. All right, I'm doing very quick coloring, y'all. I'm trying to stay in the lines because I don't like to take too much time on the coloring with y'all. Now, if I'm doing it on my own, I'm definitely gonna take my time and get it just perfect, but I'm trying to get it really good. But I also try to hurry a little bit more in the videos. So that's the dark, and I'm just going to blend it in. I'm going to try to stay in camera here. Alright, I'm just going to leave it like that, and we're going to give him little pink cheeks. On the other one, I did his nose because he had an open nose. You can even do his ears if you want to, but I'm going to leave him like that. Alright, so let me bring it a little bit closer here. Let's see if you can see him. He's so cute. These monkeys are so adorable. And then this one. So let me zoom back out now, and we'll get on with the treat holder. Alright, let's scoot those a little further over there, and let's score. So for those of you who don't know, I have an inspiration sheet on my blog all the time, and you can go download it and print it, and it has all the measurements. So on the 7.5 inch side, we are going to score at 5 and 5.5. And then on the 7 inch side, you are going to score at 1/2 and 6.5. That's why I said it's pretty easy, because the scoring is very simple. All right, so this is what we have right here. I'm just going to cut in the sides here. And then here. And that is all you're going to do on this part, except we need to cut our little arch on here. So I'm going to put that on here. And right to the top, I'm going to run this through the cut and emboss. And I'm also going to take this piece and put that on the top here, and I'm going to run that through because that's going to be our matting. Okay, so you do have to cut these, fold those back when you're doing that. You do have to cut these. And I'm cutting across there. And we're going to cut across here on that. I'm not going to get that part. All right, and then this one, I just need to clip it right here. And then this is going to fit on here like that. This is going to actually fold this way. So let's go ahead and let's mat our inside piece. By the way, this bundle does come with a punch, and it punches out one of the little monkeys. I'll show you the one here in a minute. Okay, so it punches out this little monkey that has his legs apart. So this is the punch. It punches out the monkey. You can make the monkey's face. You can punch that. I hope you can see that. I got the paper still on here. So you can punch out this part, and then this is going to be, I think these parts are his ears. I'm not sure. I think these are his ears and his little face. And you can also stamp his little face right here, and then it does one of the bananas as well. So it does come with a punch as a bundle. So if you don't have the cut and emboss, you can use that little monkey. All right, these are going to go up like this. This goes together really quickly. And then we are going to put adhesive on these. I got the glue out, so I'm using the glue, but you can use tear and tape or the Stampin' Seal Plus. Tuck your little pieces there in, and then you're going to fold this up. And I'm going to show you here in a minute what I'm going to do. Here. Make sure you line those up real good on the bottom. And I'm just going to clip here across and then clip these off here. Just cut it all the way down. Grab that. And I think I need to cut this here. Didn't get it too straight. All right. All right, there you go. And now we're going to mat this piece right here. I'm going to set that here. I love this, you know how I love polka dot. This polka dot is so good. And this is our 6x6 that comes in all our color families. So this is the bright collection that this comes from, because the Azure Afternoon is a bright color now. We are going to stamp the sentiment. And I put on just swinging by to say hi. But there is one that says "I'm bananas about you" that would be really cute as well. You can use any of the sentiments actually. And that's what we're going to use for that. Now we'll get our little monkeys here and put this all together. So I am gluing this on. I'm going to glue it up at the top here. And I actually put the little Laffy Taffies. It's when I saw this banana, I thought, oh my gosh, that would be just perfect for a little. And I did use glue dots on all these to keep them in place. And it could fit, you actually can squeeze a sixth one in there, but I didn't want to put another one in there. I would like it better when they're just all, that's why I put a little glue dot to keep them in place. Now the monkey here, we're going to use dimensionals, but you're going to need to use, I'll show you here. We're going to layer these, and you can use 2 or you can use 3 because it needs to be above these little bananas because I want it to look like he's reaching for the bananas. the candy. I'm going to see what it looks like here. I think I'm going to do one more. So I'm just layering 3 on top of each other. And then we're going to put that right there. He's so cute. Oh my gosh. All right, and then we're going to grab, where did my other little banana go? Did I lose it here? All right, so here's another banana. I had to actually stop and color another one because I did cut out a bunch because I lost my other little banana. All right, for him, we're going to pop him up as well. We're only putting one on this guy. And he's going to hold a banana. So you need one more dimensional behind there. Just like that. And then we're going to just glue this one down here. And we're going to add this little banana on here. Just like that. Look how cute he is. Oh my gosh, I love these little monkeys. They're just so adorable. And then here's the other one right here. On this one I put 3, but on this one I put 2. It was flatter, I guess, because this is popped up a little bit more. But you can arrange it so a flatter one's under there and just use 2 if you just rather use 2. So there you have it. I hope you enjoyed it, everyone. If you need any supplies, there's my host code for this month. If you use it, I would really appreciate it. Thank you all for watching. Have a blessed day, and I'll catch you in the next one. See you later, everyone. Bye.